Hey, this is Alex from GTFO, and this is a testimonial for Helmi. Helmi really helped me to understand my style and my unique strengths that I could apply to YouTube. I had some hesitations. I don't like speaking on camera and having monologues. I don't like reading off scripts or teleprompters. And when I do that, I find myself doing take after take after take and not really enjoying the process. And then after all of that, I then have to spend a bunch of hours editing the final footage to get to an outcome that still wouldn't be as good as most of the stuff on YouTube. So asking me the right questions and understanding where my strengths were, what I enjoy doing, what I don't enjoy, what my limitations are, and what my non-negotiables were as well. Spending the time up front to understand that was a real strength for me in Helmi. And then Helmi then applies all of his craft knowledge, wisdom, and years of expertise into the advice that he gives you. So he really builds you up from your strengths, not just generic information. You could spend hours researching this stuff on ChatGPT or whatever, but to have an expert there who knows everything inside out and having the openness that Helmi does to treat your business and your unique circumstances with the utmost care, as if it was his own business, really helped to give me the confidence just to get started. And I think if you're in the same boat as me, where you want to start YouTube, but there's something holding you back, just book in the time with Helmi and speak to him, let him understand you, let him understand your fears and your concerns, and let him help you to break through, because that's what he did for me. And I can't recommend him enough. Thanks, Helmi.